Hello everyone. Friends, in previous lecture we discussed the aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction. In today's lecture we will start the remaining part of aldehyde and ketone, that is wetting reaction. Myself Pankaj Naikwadi, I am the assistant professor in Agasti Arts Commerce and Dadasaheb Rupaute Science College, Akole. So let us start the wetting reaction. Friends, the wetting reaction, it is nothing but the conversion of carbonyl oxygen to carbon-carbon double bond. That means this is simple tricks. If you see the wetting reaction here, this is most important. Carbonyl oxygen, it will be converted into the carbon-carbon double bond. In 1954, the George Wetting, in 1954, the scientist George Wetting reported a method of synthesizing alkene from carbonyl compound and which involves the conversion of carbonyl group, that means C double bond O, to the olefin, that means carbon-carbon double bond group. And during this reaction, the nucleophile or the nucleophilic attack to an ylide, that means when you perform the wetting reaction, at that time the nucleophilic attack by an ylide occurs on carbonyl carbon. Here this nucleophilic attack, okay, nucleophilic attack on carbonyl carbon. Here the one term is included, that means ylide. This species is called as the ylide. Now then question is that what is meant by the ylide? So friend, ylide, it is nothing but a negatively charged atom directly attached to a heteroatom with a formal positive charge, usually nitrogen, phosphorus or sulfur, is called as ylide. I am repeat the definition of ylide. The ylide, it is nothing but a negatively charged atom directly attached to a heteroatom with a formal positive charge, usually nitrogen, phosphorus or sulfur. That means here if we see this one here, and this ylide, it is again classified into two types, that means phosphorus ylide and the sulfur ylide. Here I have taken the phosphorus ylide. If we see the structure of this phosphorus ylide, here the CH, that means this negative charge, is adjacent to this phosphorus, it carrying positive charge, and such a species is called as ylide. Now here this ylide, it acts as the nucleophile, and we know that friend, the nucleophile, that means electron rich species. It is a nucleophile is an attacking species. Okay. Now here this is the structure of benzaldehyde, and in benzaldehyde this carbonyl oxygen, that means this is electrophilic in nature. Therefore this ylide, it will be directly attack on this carbonyl carbon. Here the carbonyl oxygen, it become O minus. I have shown here this benzene ring, here carbon hydrogen C O minus, here CH PPH3 plus, and here this remaining part is as it is, and this is called as the betaine. That means formations of betaine. When ylide, that means this phosphorus ylide, is attack on this carbonyl carbon, the first step, there is formation of betaine. Now this betaine here, this will be easily cyclized and we get the cyclic intermediate, and the cyclic intermediate later on, it will be there is elimination. Here this carbon phosphorus, this bond will be break and this shift will be here. Now in next step, the phosphorus oxygen bond, it will be cleave, this goes here, and here we get this product. Here if you give numbering here of the nomenclature of this product, here this means 1 2 3 4. Okay. Now at 1 and 4 number position, there is 2 phenyl group, therefore 1,4 diphenyl, and 1 and 3 number position, there is double bond, therefore 1,4 diphenyl 1,3 butadiene, and here this is a byproduct, and this byproduct, that means the triphenyl phosphine. Okay, triphenyl phosphine oxide. Now that means in wetting reaction, it is simple, the conversion of carbonyl oxygen to the carbon-carbon double bond. Now if we take second example, a benzophenone. That means pH C double bond O pH. This is called as benzophenone, and this benzophenone is on treatment with methylene triphenyl phosphorus. This is again a phosphorus halide. Now here this halide, it acts as a nucleophile, and we know that the nucleophile is the attacking species. Therefore this attack on this carbonyl carbon, here it become O minus. That means this pH carbon pH O minus, CH2 PPH3 plus, that means this betaine. Okay, now then this betaine, it easily cyclides, and here we get the A1 cyclic intermediate. Now then there is elimination steps, and we get the here 1,1-diphenyl ethane. How this 1,1-diphenyl ethane? Because at 1 number position there is 2 phenyl group, therefore 1,1-diphenyl ethane. Okay, and this is byproduct. That means overall in wetting reaction, it is a conversion of carbonyl oxygen to carbon-carbon double bond, and whatever reagent is used, it is a halide. Halide, that means it is a phosphorus halide. That means this halide we call it as the stabilized halide, and this is the unstabilized halide. Okay, so I think you getting the wetting reactions. Now this is again a same slides. I have repeated this in detail. Benzaldehydes and benzophenone. If we take benzaldehydes, phosphorus halide, here carbonyl oxygen, it will be converted into the carbon-carbon double bond, and here the benzophenone on treatment with the triphenyl phosphine, this carbonyl oxygen, it will be converted into the carbon-carbon double bond. So friend, never miss a video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you.